Welcome back to another video, guys. This is where, I'm going to say it again, you're going to see it again, but this is where you can see us too. He's also in it, but sorry for the link video. I'll say that in the outro.
Or whatever you want to call it.
And yes, I am drinking Sandy. And, go see his channel. We're gonna make another video for my channel. It's gonna go out at like 8 or 9 p.m. a.m. tomorrow. And then we're gonna make him one that goes like at 6 a.m. when he gets up, you know. Anyways, hopefully you enjoy it. It's a boring video. Sorry about that. Hopefully you enjoy it.
Come on, just it.
Sorry. Oh, and happy 4th of July. We're out here on our trip.
Your videos, huh?
Yeah, and then we do yours. Do you want?
Oh, there's one over there.
Dang it, I missed it. It's alright.
Jeez.
It's alright. Come on, launch it, launch it, launch it, launch it.
Launch it.
You missed it. Gosh dang it. Gee, where's the fireworks going in?
There's one. Tracy, you're missing all them.
Yeah. Big one's over here. Oh, shit, Monday. What's taking them so long to launch the fireworks? They might be out. Making it.
You're shooting a minigun. They're shooting a minigun. Can you help me up?
Missed that one too. What the heck? Sorry guys, this is all gonna be like pitch black. I'm missing one, bro. What the heck?
We can watch over here.
One house I want to show you that was 9 fireworks are not 9 fireworks anymore.
Daddy, why some more fireworks?
Hear that? Well, that's no poopy. Okay. Hurry up, beat up.
Come on.
I bet you right as we filmed this house, that house that we filmed before was on fireworks.
Oh, the lights are on.
Freaking stars awaken. I bet you right as we start filming this house, they're not gonna light any. What?
Oh, I just saw another big lightning from right there. Box right there. Some big lightning.
Freaking not lighting fireworks, people. And that might be like in the final finale. Oh. I party that. Come on, bro. Seriously. Nice and more. Oh. That's not a good one. I got a little bit of firework now. I want a big one, bro. A big freaking one. Big one.
Mom, Dad, can you make some more fireworks?
Guys, you getting personal. Just kidding.
A big bird. I feel like a big goody boo. This is tiring.
I don't want those.
You gotta go there. That's what it sounds like.
I'm tired,
Yeah.
people. Thunder.
I didn't have that much caffeine today, so I'm tired.
Come on, that was a lumpy butt one, bro. Give me a big one. Okay, 48 feet. No. Oh, here we go.
Oh, right there.
Crap. Probably was not. Oh, I kind of got that.
Make some more fireworks.
Like, we can hear big ones, but they're not here. I bet you they're like in freaking town.
They're so. There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Bully of Tea.
Oh, that was a good one.
There was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Bully of Tea. The winds blew up her night. Well, we all wheels and go Hudson Day. The woman come to me. The sugar and tea and rum.
People like you're singing. Oh, we lost it. Right. Okay, you don't need more. We don't need copyright music. Don't need copyright music in here.
Bored.
I know. Sing that in your mind. Oh, got that one. Whoa, that was a big one.
Can you put it out?
Huh?
Can you put it out?
I think it's fine. We just don't need a lot of it, like the whole video like that. This video is just a freaking black and nothing. Got my hand in that. And yes, we're still lightning stuff out here. Doing fireworks with lightning still. Not that house over there though. Well, I was trying to film, but. If we don't see another firework in like 3, 2, like in 5 minutes, starting now, I am going to go in and edit this video and say sorry for all the freaking, you know, maybe.
You make me mad. Make me mad. Make me frustrated.
I have to get, make 2, I don't know.
Okay, so I already have one, right?
I have a good one, but I'm waiting for another one. Oh, we got little baby ones. Boo hoo. Sorry.
Those are actually pretty sick.
You see that dot over there? That red blinking dot? That's our radio station thing.
So,
Making you see you, so peace. Bro, we're done with the fireworking? What the heck?
if I
Wow.
see Mom and Dad rolling in the Ranger, I'm gonna be so mad.
I bet you they're done. Stars. You can see static.
More
I might
fire-
make a video tomorrow, guys. But I'm definitely making a video when we go to the baseball game, so check that out. It might drop the next day, July 16th. But
I'm giving you over my feet.
heck no, bro. Okay, once it hits 11 minutes, we are gonna go in.
Because this is dumb.
Even though because we got some fireworks. Look at that. Look at that. Final finale.
It's at 8 minutes.
Got some fireworks right there. I think people are just tired of like fireworks right now, bro. I have no clue why, but oh, that was not good, but it's alright. At least we're getting some. Guys, I'm gonna make another video that's gonna come out tomorrow. I'm gonna have 2 videos come out tomorrow. One I make tomorrow, and one I'm gonna make after this. So stay tuned.
Dude, this is so dumb.
What?
Patrice said, after this day, I'm gonna have a lot of fireworks, like spreading of fireworks.
Yeah.
You know,
There might be 2 videos of fireworks, bro, but hopefully tomorrow's firework video will do better than today's fireworks, BBB.
What is 9 minutes? When does it stop?
11. It's like almost 1 minute. Almost 1 minute. I swear, if we don't get a big one in 1 minute, we're quitting out in 1 minute. Starting. Okay, 1 minute. I'm stopping this, bro.
1 more minute. I'm gonna be frustrated, mad, everything happening within
I don't know. Oh, I don't know.
1.
I don't know how you won't go subscribe to Tyler because he's funny.
Yeah.
So
Now
his
we
first
upload
video,
a
his first video might be awkward, but his other videos will be better.
Fireworks, come on.
Okay, we're almost there. We're almost
Come on, people.
We're past halfway.
Come on, peoples. Come on. Oh, look. Come on, peoples.
Well, this is boring. And we're about to 11 minutes. And we're
That was right behind us.
so crabby poo. Lots of fireworks. Oh. Bruh, what the heck is going on? Bruh, seriously. We're at a Mr. Mo. Freaking crazy.
Did you see that lightning? Dude, it went from here up to there, and up to there. That was a big lightning bolt.
Might as well. Might as well just be a dark freaking video.
Right over there.
See where that light is? That's where they've been laying them. Come on. It might be
Come on,
done.
please. Come on, please. Behind us. Oh, there's one right behind
Keep it in there. We'll take a peek. But don't see.
So guys, I'm trying to film this good. I'm not the goodest filmer. I'm looking at this. Come on, please. Trace, it's back.
I'm back. I think they're done.
Oh, what?
I know, boys, you can't see us today, but welcome back to my channel. Anyways, today we're out here watching some fireworks, as you can hear. But remember, this is tired. I know you can't see him, but this is tired.
Yeah.
And yeah. Anyways, go check out this channel that we just did. And yeah. So peace. Wait, I will show you it. I think. I don't like doing my hair on this kid. Anyways, so thank you for watching. I know this video is kind of boring, but here in this outro we got Tiger, and we got my puppy Harper. See, and I got a Sandy, not sponsored by the way. If I can get it open, I'm a wimpy. By the way,
Use your teeth.
no. It's funny how I said no and I just used my teeth. Anyways, guys, we're gonna make a video right now, but wait for it tomorrow. Like, exactly tomorrow. Like, maybe 9 a.m. Remember, subscribe, like, go subscribe to this channel, like, and peace out.